Today, we're celebrating a very special day. Audrielle is turning 5, and we're celebrating it at Sydney Hills Gymnastics in Castle Hill, with Calista joining in on the fun. First, the instructor gathered all the kids together, explained the activities and showed them what to do. Then, it was their turn. Off they went, balancing, climbing, jumping, and making their way through the gymnastics circuit. Audrielle was having an amazing time on her big day, and Calista was loving the adventure too. It was so much fun watching Audrielle and the rest of the kids enjoying the different activities, keeping those little legs moving and burning off plenty of energy. And after all that gymnastics fun, it was time to recharge with some food, birthday cake, and of course, sing happy birthday to Audrielle. Happy 5th birthday, Audrielle! Thank you for letting Calista and all of us be part of your special day. And if your kids love climbing, jumping, and gymnastics, come and check out Sydney Hills Gymnastics in Castle Hill. It's definitely a fun place for the little ones to get active and have an adventure.